All right, so we have now, well, I gotta dismiss all these, go away. We have now opened up Harmony. Hooray, we have a new scene and everything. So before we get too far, again, I know I showed you where the file system is, but we need to do some adjustments to these settings. So I'm gonna come up here to Harmony Premium at the very, very top, next to the apple, and I'm gonna click on Preferences. So there are a lot of preferences, but there's a few that I really want to make sure that you have turned on. The first one being autosave. We need to turn that on. So if you find autosave, click on Save Scene Automatically, click that checkbox. You can change the interval. You can also tell it to ask before saving. You do not need to do that. It can get kind of annoying. By default, it's 10 every 10 minutes or after inactivity. Okay, so go ahead and just keep it at 10. That works just fine. There's a few other settings we need to do as well. We want to turn on focus on mouse enter. So what this does is it makes the panel that you're on the active panel. And I'll get more into that in a minute, but you need to make sure this is turned on. It'll make your life easier, I promise. So we'll say okay. So now you'll notice when you move your mouse through different panels, this red outline shows up. So you want to make sure that the panel that you're working with is the active panel and that we have this red outline box. All right, so what is going on here? So here in the center, where in Adobe software, we'd probably call this the canvas. If you scroll in and out with the wheel, you can move around. If you want to pan the screen, hold the space bar and drag, click and drag to pan around. There is also a way to rotate the screen, rotate view. So if you turn on the rotate view, you can see this little outline of an animator's studio workstation, and you can rotate the screen any way you want. This does not rotate the actual items on your camera, but it will rotate the screen. Okay, and that's this rotate view button. And there is a keyboard shortcut. So if you hold Command and Alt at the same time, that rotate will come up. Okay, so that's the keyboard shortcut.